Welcome back to the final part of our scalp care series. So we covered why scalp care is important, how to take care of your scalp, how to identify faults in your scalp, how to cleanse, when to cleanse, why to cleanse and exfoliate, and products that you can use.
So
Now
I'm
we're going to
standing in
jump
the mystery
into
of divine encounter with the one who loved me before I drew a single breath. Today's scripture: seek more of his strength, seek more of him. Let's always be seeking the light of his face. Psalm 105,
that
verse
you can
4.
use. Now we're going to jump into hydrating your scalp, moisture, nourishing your scalp, putting that moisture back in. Because we've taken out all the stuff that's now created that barrier and all of those things, and we've cleansed and we've done all those things. Now we're going to put all that nourishment back and how to maintain a balance for both. Right? Cool. So let's get right into it. After cleansing your scalp, it is crucial to put that nourishment back into your scalp. Right? We've taken, like I said, we've taken it all out. It's very crucial to put it back into your scalp. So studies have shown that hyaluronic acid and glycerin. So hyaluronic acid, let me just, by the way, let's go back to that. If you are a skincare girly or you've seen all these skincare videos, because I'm not a skincare girly, I got my bases down, but I'm not like, I don't have 15,000 products. I got 15,000 hair care products, but not skincare. But they always mention about the hyaluronic, there's Neutrogena and what is the other one? L'Oreal and Garnier, like all say hyaluronic acid is, salicylic acid is, they're good for you. It's good for your scalp as well. It's good for your scalp as well as glycerin. I don't know why I didn't mention glycerin previously. I was probably having a stroke because of all my excitement. But glycerin as well, because glycerin attracts moisture from the air, puts that moisture back into your hair, which helps the elasticity and helps with hydration. Okay, it improves elasticity and helps with hydration. And less, and not dry hair, not flaky hair, not itchy hair is what you get when your hair is clean, your scalp is clean, and it's moisturized, and it's doing all the things. Now let's talk about the power of oils. I'm so excited for this one because I am a oil. Somebody's phoning me. I am an oil girl-y. I always say this. I've always said this. I will forever be an oil girl-y. So I've mentioned these ones in the previous videos. Jojoba oil. I feel in my mind, right? I feel that jojoba oil and sebum they have the same bloodline. They don't have the same genes. They're not sisters or brothers or siblings, but they're in the same family. Like jojoba oil it's just like, just a side note off topic quickly, sorry. But like for me, oils, because I'm an oil girly. Jamaican black castor oil, jojoba oil, what is the other one? Tea tree oil. Well, in the essentials, it would be tea tree oil, peppermint oil, and I'm glitching. Clove oil in the essentials. Like those are my essential oils, but jojoba oil and Jamaican black castor oil always, and sweet almond oil will always be in my ingredients. Like this oil, you see this pink here at the bottom? I don't know if you can you see that there's pink like here at the bottom? That is Jamaican black castor oil. It will always be in the top, right on tops. So jojoba oil is like the sebum family. Tea tree oil is the antimicrobial oils, and peppermint oil is the stimulation, the boosting, the tingling, the blood flow. That's the ones. That's the ones. Let me not jump off again. Okay, so the ingredients that help with pH scalp balance that I've mentioned before, I'm going to give you recipes. So I'm going to look at my notes because I don't know all the recipes out of my head. I've always used these ones. Like I said, I've used apple cider vinegar, aloe vera, honey, what's the other one? Tea tree oil. I haven't used beech oil. I haven't used salicylic acid, and I haven't used citric acid, but I found recipes for you for those because we spoke about them, so I'm gonna give you recipes for them. Okay. Apple cider vinegar. So mix 1 part of apple cider vinegar with 2 parts of water after you've rinsed your scalp, the shampoo out of your hair. So you're gonna put that water and apple cider vinegar, not just apple cider vinegar. But yeah, it's strong. It's very strong. It stinks, but like it's alone itself because of the citric acid in it. It's very strong. So you have to mix it with water. So 1 part apple cider vinegar, 1 part water. 2 parts water. For every 1 part, you put 2 parts. So after you've washed your hair, you're gonna put that and leave it in your hair. Heavenly, and you're gonna spray it like directly to your scalp. Aloe vera. I don't have a recipe per se for you for aloe vera because it's just the aloe vera that you're gonna need. You can buy store-bought aloe vera. For now, let's just buy store-bought aloe vera until I do a recipe for you. I mean, do instructions for you because, like I said, you're not gonna take just the aloe vera and put it on your, like, take it from the plant and put it on directly on your scalp because there's stuff, bacteria. Everything has bacteria in it and fungi and all of those things. So you're gonna have to wash that out first. Oh, actually, why are you making it so difficult? You're gonna open your plant, the aloe vera plant, strip the green parts off, and then you're gonna cut. So where that green, so this is your gel in the middle, right? So there where the green was on, you're gonna cut that off, rinse it out thoroughly, like rinse it out, and then you're gonna blend it and put it on your scalp. You can use it as a pre-poo because it's got such great slip. Flaxseed also has a great slip. I'm going off topic, but it's got such great slip, so you can use it as a pre-poo, and also when your scalp is inflamed and it gives that or you can also put it in your shampoo. Good for you. Then tea tree oil, like I said, you've used it as a carrier because it's an essential oil. You can put it in your shampoo. Great. You can add it to your oils because I add it to my oils. It's in this oil. I've added it to my oils. With tea tree oil, there's really not a ratio, but with mine, like, obviously, but I sell oils, so I can't give you like per 100 mils. And then you're gonna use jojoba oil as your carrier, so you're gonna put that in, and it's juicy. Witch hazel. Now, witch hazel, like I said, I've never used it. I don't know about it. So you're gonna apply diluted witch hazel to your scalp with a cotton ball. So you're gonna put the witch hazel on your cotton ball, and then you're gonna dab it onto your scalp again, sections, because you want it coated all over. Salicylic acid. So salicylic acid, you wanna find products, shampoos that have salicylic acid. 2% is the best ratio. When it's in your products, it's normally 3 to 4%. But if you can get just the salicylic acid, you will look for 2% salicylic acid if you want to add it directly in to your products. So you're gonna add it to your shampoos mostly because it's an exfoliator. Then your honey. Honey is a humectant, like I mentioned before, same as glycerin. It draws moisture from the air, so it's best to put it in your deep conditioner. Even your leave-in conditioner. I put in my leave-in conditioner. I put in both, actually. I don't think I've ever... Okay, wait, now I remember. So before, when I didn't rinse out my deep conditioners in, it was in my deep conditioner, but now I put it in both because it's really good for you. And low porosity hair loves it. Citric acid, it says add a small pinch to a liter of water. I don't know what a small pinch is. So just a pinch of citric acid. The concentration should be about 2 to 3%, but should be using very sparingly while diluted. So don't use it on every wash day, if I want to say that. So like if you're going to be exfoliating, 2 to 3 times every 1 to 2 weeks, then maybe like on this every 2 weeks, then you're going to use the citric acid because it's very strong and very potent. I've spoken about how to apply the treatments into hair. I don't know why I added it there. Don't know. But you know how to apply massaging scalp. Let's just quickly recap. So your scalp needs to be washed. You need to exfoliate 1 to 2 times every 1 to 2 weeks. You need to put moisture back into your hair. You need to keep a pH balance, like, for use your apple cider vinegar. Aloe vera is good for your scalp, for for relieving irritation, like if your scalp is burning, something like, it's just whatever product you use is just alive and well on your scalp. I wish I knew about aloe vera when I used that Palmer's coconut oil. I've spoken coconut line. I've spoken about in this Palmer's review. I was traumatized when I used that product. So I wish I knew about aloe vera then. I didn't. This was like 3 weeks into my natural hair journey, so I knew nothing about that. So I was trauma aloe vera for sensitive skin. Jojoba, just because it's the sister, and I've just made her the sister, the cousin of sebum. Your tea tree oil for dandruff, salicylic acid for cleansing, not concentrated, 2% if you're gonna get your own. Citric acid, a pinch in a liter of water. Huderamas honey and glycerin, because it's an humectant. Add it into your glycerin. You can add it into your shampoo, or you can add it into your conditioner. I use both glycerin and honey in my conditioners. Okay for you. By understanding your scalp's needs and understanding which ingredients you need for your hair and how to nourish it, you're setting yourself up for a good stage, a good foundation. Like I said, your scalp is not just the place where your hair grows. It is also the home for the sebum glands. So when that foundation is clear, it's clean, it's healthy, whatever comes out of it is gonna be great. Like I say, what you put in your body is what you're gonna get out. Okay, that was a good moment. I should put that on a t-shirt. What you put in your body is what you're gonna get out. We're gonna talk about supplements, hair growth products, and like diet. Guys, turn on that post notifications for those who are subscribed, because I love you and I adore you. And if there's any other videos that you want to see, I got you. Comment down below. And if you are new here, subscribe, guys. You're missing out. Or if you don't even want to subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you can watch the next one. And I wish you guys a healthy scalp journey, healthy hair journey, so that you can have beautiful, luscious, coily, curly, kinky, full, high-low density, high-low porosity, shiny, soft, beautiful, luscious locks. A beautiful crown that God has blessed us with. I thank you for staying through. I am getting a little better with my ranting. I just got off track on the second video. Are we getting me? It's passion. I love it. So let's keep this going. Comment down below. Let's keep a conversation. If there's something that I haven't mentioned that you know about, comment down below, because I'm doing these videos for the gullies to get the information. Alright? I would also like information too. So knowledge is power, sharing is caring. And I love you, and goodbye.